Okay, Bart, I can't see you, but
We know you're out
I'm
there.
sure you're out there somewhere. I can't imagine how this is going to turn out for a good video, but... Oh, go Martha. Oh, Bart.
It's usually like 2 or 3 seconds.
Because do you smell that good food over there? Bart does not want to get a double Q. Uh-oh. You didn't even try it. Oh, good boy. Go, Martha. Woo! Yay!